The Ninebot KickScooter F2 series is designed for riding performance and safety. With functional and intelligent mobility in mind, the F2 series comes with upgraded riding experience on freedom and peace. Today, we'll be using the F2 Pro to do the unboxing video. We're going to be unboxing the scooter, checking out everything included, and showing you how to assemble and use it. In the box, you will find a KickScooter, thank you card, 3mm wrench, 5 M5 screws, valve stem extension, battery charger, product and user manual, and also the warranty book. First, unfold the kickstand to make sure your scooter stands stable. Then, unfold the stem and close the quick release lever. Make sure the wires inside the handle and the stem are connected before you slide the handlebar into the stem, with the headlight facing forward. Install the 4 screws in order, 2 on each side, with the included hex wrench. When you finish riding, lift down the safety hook and open the quick release lever. Align and fasten the snap hook and the buckle, then lift your stem to carry your scooter. Before activation, please make sure you have downloaded the Segway-Ninebot app and log in. Turn on the KickScooter. The scooter will initially consistently beep due to inactivation, with the speed limited to 9.3 miles per hour. Next, open the Segway app. Click Search Vehicle and pair with your scooter. Then, follow the instructions to watch the tutorial video. After the tutorial is complete, click to finish activating the KickScooter. There are 3 speed modes with the scooter. Kick off to start. When your riding speed reaches 3 km per hour, the motor will initiate. You can switch speed modes by pressing the power button twice. The speed mode will appear on the display. The speed of Eco, or energy saving mode, is 12 km per hour. D mode is standard mode at 20 km per hour, and S mode is sports mode with a top speed of 25 km per hour. The F2 series also comes with walk mode, which allows you to walk with the scooter with less effort. For walk mode, the max speed is 5 km per hour, and the headlight and tail light are always lit on and cannot be turned off. The F2 series, equipped with turning indicators on both handlebars, providing more safety during your riding. When turning left or right, press the left or right to switch on the direction indicator. Then, the indicator will flash regularly, and it can be turned off by pressing the corresponding button again. And here for F2 Pro, you can also use the electronic horn by pressing the horn button above the direction indicator. Press the throttle to speed up when you are balanced on the footboard. Release the throttle to slow down and squeeze the brake lever. The F2 Pro works with Apple Find My. With a global Find My network of hundreds of millions of iOS devices, you can easily track the whereabouts of your KickScooter by using Apple Find My tracking. Before using this feature, please make sure to download Find My app on your iPhone. Click More Functions in the home page. Then, skip to the bottom and choose Segway-Ninebot Lab. Click Locating Vehicle and agree to use the function. Then, start to pair with your KickScooter in the Apple Find My app. In the Find My app, please click Add Item first, then choose Other Supported Item to start searching for your scooter. Once connected, you can give your scooter a cute name. For charging the scooter, open the charge port cover and insert the charge plug. Insert the power cord and plug into a power supply. Close the charge port cover when finished. When the scooter is not powered on for about 7 consecutive days, the battery level will drop below 30% and enter into sleep mode. If this happens, your scooter cannot be powered on. Please charge the scooter first. The F2 series also comes with the valve extender, which provides an easy way to fill up your tires with air. Unscrew the valve cap, connect the valve stem extension to the tire valve stem, and then use the pump to inflate the tire. For safety purposes, always wear a helmet and other protective gear when you're riding.